I think my haters just really be wanting. Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana, and I'm still winning Pakiana. That's Papiana, killing everybody beat. Thank you, next, Ariana.
Okay, sis, it's time for another tutorial. This is a 12-inch 613 lace front bob wig I'm using today. But before we get started, let me go ahead and let y'all know that I am running a 15% off sale. 15% off the entire site. All wigs, sis, don't miss this sale. But anyways, let's get into this video. We're going to use so many colors, so I'm going to go ahead and name these colors out for you ladies. Okay, so we have baby blue and neon pink. We have sky blue, sunrise orange, limelight, and funky yellow. And then we have purple rage by Adore. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch out my mannequin heads because this is the one I color on. And I just have me a little bowl of water because that's what I'm going to use to clean my brush off with. But I'm showing you this brush now, but I'm eventually in a video going to end up changing it to a toothbrush. So here I'm just sectioning off the hair on the amount that I'm going to use in each section. I believe I was using 2 or 3 tracks on each section, but I can't really remember. You just don't want to use too many tracks to where the hair is too thick. So I'm going to take the first color I'm using is baby blue, and I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to go on that whole bottom row of this first section and color the entire bottom row blue. And then I'm going to take my next color and I'm going to do the same exact step, but I'm going to go on top of the blue. So we're just going to work from the bottom to the top. Also, while you're doing this, you want to make sure that you're combing it through while you're going along, just so that way the hairs underneath are getting some color to it, so it won't be any blonde pieces left. And also, you don't have to do the same colors and the same pattern I'm doing. I'm only doing a pattern so that way I won't be doing it and then I won't be like, oh, what color I should use next. So I'm just going to continue to do a pattern so that way it'll be easier and quicker for me. Okay, so we finally made it to the top of the wig after 2 hours. If you're still watching, props to you, sis. It wasn't even 2 hours for y'all. It was 2 hours for me. So y'all got this. But anyways, we're gonna do this the exact same way, but once you get to the very top of the wig, leave your roots blonde because we're gonna color them. We're gonna color them a different color. I'm gonna use sky blue for mine. Of course, you don't have to use that color, but when you're doing the frontal part, make sure you're combing it through because of course the hair is thicker up here. So just make sure you're combing it through to get the hairs underneath because we don't want any blonde spots unless you're gonna leave your roots 613. I was actually thinking that would be a cute idea, leaving the roots blonde, but I decided to color mine. So yes, just wait to the end for the final results.
I think my haters just really be wanting to. Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana, and I'm still winning Pakiana. That's Papiana, killing everybody beat. Thank you next, Ariana.